Hello from Cars Fix Theft Auto. In this video clip I'm going to show you the procedure of loosening of rusted and seized nut using thermal method, especially the flame torch gas, oxy gas torch. The whole all details of that procedure you can see under the video, below the video, in the description there. And you can see you use the air gun and can't lose the nut. That's why we use oxygas torch, heated. You have to prepare not cables have to be around cables or whatever. It's can be gone up with the high temperature. That's why you have to be prepared with coolant outside, water, or extinguisher. If something happens, we heat it until get red hot the nut. Then we cool it with water, actually using only water straight away after that. Otherwise the surface between nut and the bolt can go welded. That's why you have to cool it. And if especially that nut, it's very tough to take it out, and that's why we use 2 times of heating and then cooling the nut, and that will allow a better way the dividing the threads between the bolt and the nut. And then after that, after the cooling, we use the socket to lose it, and then the air gun after the cooling it. And that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting our channel Cars Fix Theft Auto. Everything you can see below the video, in the description, all details about the procedure of loosening the rusted and seized nut. Thank you again.